Hello friends, welcome back with another vlog. Here we are introducing you with 2015 Toyota Auris 1.8 VVT-h XL Touring Sport CVT Euro 6 SS 5DR Safety Sense plus 0 warrant tax plus rear cam plus nav plus 2 keys plus service history. This car comes with 5 seats, 3 owners, 17-in alloy wheels, 4.2 in colored TFT multi-information display, AM/FM radio, air conditioning, climate control, dual zone, airbags, front passenger, cutoff switch, auto dimming, rear view mirror, automatic high beam, autonomous emergency braking, aux input, back lower floating bar, chrome plated, Bluetooth hands-free system, Bluetooth music streaming, cruise control, DAB digital radio. The Toyota Auris 1.8 VVT variable valve timing is a compact car known for its fuel efficiency and reliability. Equipped with a 1.8-liter engine, it offers a balance of performance and economy, making it a popular choice for city driving and daily commuting. Its spacious interior, comfortable ride, and advanced technology features further enhance its appeal to drivers seeking a practical yet enjoyable driving experience. So why wait? Embrace your experience today and elevate your driving to new heights. The Car Traders is your premier destination for premium automotive excellence. Come visit us today and discover why discerning drivers choose the Car Traders for all their automotive needs. Your dream car awaits, and we're here to help you find it.